MCP is a new way to access data via like ChatGPT or Claude. This is basically, I can set up a server that connects to any application I want. It could be Copilot, Zoho Sprints, and I could set it up so that anything that I can do in CRM Copilot can be done right here through Claude. And I'll give you an example using like Zoho CRM, right? So if you go to Claude now, you should see, new features like this: Drive search, Gmail search. But one of the things that you can do with Claude is integrate Zapier. And the Zapier integration is really an MCP server. It's a server that was configured to talk to Zapier, right? So now that I have Zapier in here, I can ask a simple question like this: how many leads were created today in Zoho CRM? You see what I'm doing? Instead of me going into these systems, I'm using a front end to find out the data. Now I go here, the CRM, that one's still going. Let me search for today. So that one's still going. So MCP is a protocol, model context protocol. You set that up so that your tools like Claude or ChatGPT can connect to those tools.